Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous video we learned about applications of trigonometry and we solved few problems on that concept. Now in this video we are going to solve few more problems on that concept. And students, you can find my previous videos in playlist with the name Applications of Trigonometry, class 10th. Okay. So students, now see problem number 6. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? So students, this is the rough diagram. Suppose, so this is one building, you are here. Okay, and you are observing an object on the ground. Suppose it is here, so like this. So you are observing. So this is line of sight, right? Okay, so you are seeing down. Okay, and students, here angle of depression is given as 60 degrees. And what is the height? 6 meters. On 6 meters height you are there. And you are observing an object with 60 degrees angle of depression. So what we need to find? The distance between you and the object, means this length. So it's nothing but what? Hypotenuse, right? Okay, so students, I will draw diagram neatly. Yeah. So we have to draw lines instead of buildings, that we know already. Suppose like this. Okay, this building and height of 6 meters. And angle of depression. So what is the angle of depression? The horizontal line, and angle of depression is 60 degrees. Okay, and students, name it as ABC. So height means this will be 90 degrees, angle B will be 90 degrees. And students, here we need to find the length of AC, and this line, okay, this horizontal line and this base, both are parallel to each other. And students, if you take this AC as transverse, alternate interior angles are equal, right? So if it is 60 degrees, this angle A also 60 degrees. Okay, because these are alternate interior angles. Okay, so now students, okay, let BC, yeah, so we are finding AC, no? Let AC is equal to X, let it be X. And what is given? BC as 6 meters. Okay, so angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So students, now from triangle ABC, what we can write? From triangle ABC with respect to 60 degrees, okay, then sine 60 degrees is equal opposite side to 60 degrees by hypotenuse. So we can write it as 6 by x. So students, what is the value of sine 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by x. Now by cross multiplication, okay, by cross multiplication, what we can write? X into root 3. X into root 3 is equal to 6 into 2. So students, x is equal to 12 by root 3. And students, we can rationalize the denominator as into root 3 by root 3. So that is 12 root 3 by root 3 square. Square and square root cancelled. And 12 root 3 by 3, which gives us 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 root 3 meters. And students, this is the distance between you and the object on the ground. So x value is 4 root 3 meters. So more if you want, you can take root 3 is equal 1.732 and multiply. So students, in this way we will solve this problem. Now let's see problem number 7. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs it on angle of 60 degrees with the ground? Okay, what will be the distance, so what will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole, and they gave height of the pole as 9 meters. So students, understand the problem. Okay, so accordingly you need to draw the diagram. So this is pole, students, of height 9 meters suppose. So total height of this pole is 9 meters. Okay, and what happened, from some distance he is using one ladder, this is the ladder, and what is happening there, he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. This is top of the pole, so he is reaching 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. So 1.8 meters below means, students, here to here how much it will be? This is what? 1.8. So total is 9 meters, and here he is reaching 1.8 meters below. So what will be the remaining height? 9 minus, okay, so like from this part to, so this part, so okay, this height will be 9 minus 1.8. So what will be 9 minus 1.8 value? 7.2. Okay, 7.2 meters. So he is reaching towards to 7.2 meters of the height of the pole, and that ladder is making 60 degrees with the ground. This is ground, and here with this ground this ladder is making 60 degrees. Yeah, so students, now what is the question? What will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? So this part they are asking. So first I will name it as A, B, C, and I will take it as X. And also they are asking, okay, length of the ladder. Okay, so they are also asking length of the ladder. This is ladder, no? Let the length of the ladder be y. Okay, so students, so from the same triangle we need to find the value of x and value of y. Okay, so we have, with respect to 60 degrees, we have opposite side, and we need to find the hypotenuse and adjacent side. Fine. So students, yeah, so what is the given data in the problem? So BC, so he is reaching to C part, so total will be like BD, total length of the pole is BD, that is 9, but here we need to take the BC part only. So BC is equal to 7.2 meters. Now angle A is equal to 60 degrees, that is also okay. Let AB is nothing but what? Distance between foot of the pole and foot of the ladder. So let AB is equal to x, comma, length of the ladder is what? AC is equal to y. Okay, now from triangle ABC, I am taking cos 6, opposite side to hypotenuse. Opposite side to hypotenuse is called as sin theta. So sin 60 degrees is equal to, opposite side is what? 7.2 by hypotenuse is y. Sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2. That is equal 7.2 by y. So by doing the cross multiplication, we will get root 3 into y is equal 7.2 into 2. So students, y is equal 7.2 into 2 by root 3. We have to rationalize this into root 3 by root 3. So what we will get here? 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 square is what? 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 2.4 into 2 is 4.8. So 4.8 root 3 meters. So what is this, students? This is value of y, means length of the ladder. Okay, so length of ladder is equal 4.8 root 3 meters. So students, more if want, you can take root 3 value as 1.732 and multiply it with 4.8, you will get the answer. Okay, you can stop here also, no problem. And next, now I want the value of x. So now what is the value of y? Y is equal 4.8 root 3. Okay, so students, now we need value of x. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse if we take, that is also okay, cos 60. Okay, so adjacent side by hypotenuse is called cos theta. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is x by 4.8 root 3. Okay, so students, cos 60 value half is equal to x by 4.8 root 3. So by cross multiplication we will get x value as, so x into 2 is equal 1 into 4.8 root 3. So then x is equal to 4.8 root 3 by 2. So 2.4. So x is equal to 2.4 root 3. Therefore, so x is what, students? That is distance between. Okay. So that is distance between foot of the pole and foot of ladder. Foot of ladder is equal to 2.4 root 3 meters. So students, here you can also take root 3 is equal 1.732 and solve. So in this way we will solve this problem. Now let's see problem number 7. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river, and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? So students, let's assume the situation. Suppose, see, this is the river and it's flowing towards up. Okay, so what they are telling here, ship is started. Okay, so ship is started and it's moving towards, it's like stream direction. So what is happening? It started here and it is reaching here, and it's making 60 degrees with the bank. Okay, so bank of the river with 60 degrees, it's making bank of the river, and it's traveled for 600 meters, and they are asking us to find the width of the river. Let it be width of the river. So accordingly we have to draw the diagram. Okay, so students, let's assume the situation and draw the diagram. So ship started. Okay, so traveled for some distance. Okay, so with bank it's making 60 degrees, and how much distance it traveled? 600 meters, and this is width of the river, and it's making 90 degrees here. Okay, which means shortest distance. Okay, so here name it as ABC. So students, in this ABC triangle, AC is equal to 600 meters. So this AC is also hypotenuse of the triangle, and angle C is equal to 60 degrees. And let width of the river be x. This is x. And students, we need to find the value of x with respect to 60 degrees. We have opposite side and hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side by hypotenuse is called sin theta. So from triangle ABC, you can write sin 60 degrees is equal opposite side, that is x by 600 meters. So what is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2, that is equal x by 600. So students, now do the cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, so by cross multiplication, what we can write? Root 3 into 600. Root 3 into 600 is equal. Okay, so like this we have to multiply. Root 3 into 600 is equal to 2 into x. So students, what is x is equal? So or this can be written as 2x is equal to root 3 into 600. So what is x is equal? Root 3 into 600 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 300. So students, what is x value? 300 root 3 meters. Therefore, width of the river. Okay, so therefore width of the river is equal 300 root 3 meters. So students, if you want to multiply root 3 value, you can take root 3 is equal 1.732 and multiply, you will get more. So you can stop here also, 300 root 3 meters. So in this way we will solve this problem. Let's see problem number 9. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? So students, let's see this solution. So already discussed in the problem, if the height of the observer is not given, then we will neglect it. But here they mentioned the height of the observer, so we have to take that. And he is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree, and he is observing the top of the tree with 45 degrees, right? So students, we need to draw diagram first. So this is observer, okay, and his height is 1.8 meters. So he is from 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So this is the palm tree. Okay, so from his eyes angle of elevation. Okay, so here drawn line, horizontal line. So students, see, like his eyes are here, like this he is seeing. So angle of elevation is 45 degrees. This is the horizontal line. Okay, so this is a base. Yeah, now students, name it as A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. So students, if AB is 1.8, then CD also 1.8. Okay, so here you can write AB is equal, CD is equal 1.8 meters. And if BC is 13.2, AD also 13.2. Okay, so AD also 13.2. So you can write BC is equal, AD is equal 13.2 meters. So students, here height of the palm tree means this is from C to E. C to E. So this total CD plus DE is nothing but height of the palm tree. Okay. So CD already there as 1.8 meters. So we need to find the length of DE. So let DE is equal to X. Okay, let DE is equal to X. Let it be X. So students, now from triangle ADE, from triangle ADE, what we can write? So with respect to 45 degrees, opposite side is there and adjacent side is there. With the help of tan theta concept, we can find this. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here you can write tan 45 degrees is equal, opposite side is X by adjacent side is 13.2 meters. So students, what is the value of tan 45 degrees? 1. So tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 is equal X by 13.2 meters. So students, now transpose this 13.2 meters to left hand side. So then X is equal 13.2 meters into 1, that is equal 13.2. So now we need to find X, we got as 13.2. So students, now what is the so what is the total length of the palm tree then? So total height of the palm tree is CD plus DE. Okay. So students, so we have right here. So height of palm tree is equal to, so that is CD plus DE, that is equal to, we got CD value as 1.8, okay, plus 13.2. So sum is 15. So total height of the palm tree is 15 meters. Let's see problem number 10. This is the last problem in the exercise 12.1. In the adjacent figure, AC is 6 centimeters, AB is 5 centimeters, and angle BAC is 30 degrees. Find the area of triangle ABC. Students, here this is not right angle triangle. They not gave even they not kept here right angle symbol. So to solve this type of problems, we will use sine rule. Okay, and students, here to find the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC formula is half into, okay, so this is B, this is C, and this is angle A. Okay, so half BC sine A. So students, whatever the side opposite to angle B is small b, whatever the side opposite to angle C is small c, okay, and whatever the side opposite to angle A is small a, but they gave BC values. So formula to find the area of this triangle is half into B into C into sine A. So they gave sine like 30 degrees. We need to take sine 30 degrees here. Okay, two sides and its included angle is there. Okay, so half into length of the B is what? 6. Length of the C is what? 5 into sine 30 degrees. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 into 5 into sine 30 value half. 2 1s are 2 1.5s. 1.5 5s are 7.5 centimeters square units. Okay, students, about this like sine rule we will learn in higher classes. Okay, so we will solve this problem in this way. Okay, and students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. And students, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And thank you for watching. Bye.